If you build websites for a living, I'll show you exactly how you can produce websites 2 times faster with no extra charges. The tool that I'm going to share right now is specifically designed for you to cut the website production time twice and let you focus more on driving leads, customers, and revenue. So let me show you how it works. Here's a new tool called Weblium. Everything here is designed specifically to spend as little time as possible on creating a website. Weblium believes that their intuitive editor and ready-to-use templates help users to create websites in a couple of hours, if not minutes. This effortless editor comes with effortless pricing, $50 and everything is yours. It included pop-ups, e-commerce, inbuilt CRM, third-party integrations, and 270 plus ready-to-use templates. Everything in a single subscription. However, right now they have a huge discount. With the current discount, you will pay $2.50 per website. That's the price of hosting. I mean, it's crazy. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can go there and check how the editor works. They have 14 days free trial so you can understand how you can function with the editor. And once you're done, let me know what you think in the comments down below. See you there.